how to stream on Kick with mobile phone. So if you want to stream on Kick with mobile phone, then you can't do that on your application. What you need to do is simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'll be with Chrome browser. Now once you open your browser, you can go for the search and then you can search for kick.com. Once you've searched, it will take you to the website, and you need to log into your account. So tap on not now, and then you can go for login, which is on the upper right, and here you need to log into your account. Once you've logged in, go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and now you can go for settings, and under your settings here you will have stream URL and key. Tap on that, and here you will have your stream URL and your stream key, right? So what you need to do is simply go for create restream account. So if you don't have your account, then go for create restream account, or if you have an account, then you can simply log into your account. You can continue with Google and then confirm, and here what you need to do is you had the stream URL, right? And you need to copy that URL and paste that URL just here. And once you've pasted, you need to enter the stream key and your RTMP URL. You just need to simply copy the details from the other tab, and then you need to paste that here. And once you've pasted, you can tap on add channel, and once you've added the channel, you'll be able to stream on Kick with your mobile phone. So that's how you can stream, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.